In this video, we will learn how you can automatically extract email details and add them in Google Sheets. So let's say you run a business and you want every time you receive a business mail, its details, the email's details should be added in Google Sheets so that you can have a record. Now we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. So come to my screen to see how we do it. To extract email details and add them in Google Sheet, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Okay, it's loading. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Gmail to Google Sheet. So now it will show you two windows here, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, Action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a sales is made, and action can be send a confirmation message to a customer. Here, a trigger can be when an email is received, and action can be add those email details in a Google Sheet. So let us begin and select Email Parser as a trigger application. So Email Parser by Pabbly is an application that helps you to extract details and attachments from an email. So you will see it has generated this email address here. Let us copy this. And now go to my inbox with which you have to integrate Pabbly. Okay, so this is my business account, Parampara business account. All right, on the top right, you will see a settings icon. Click there, then see all settings, and here in the center you will see forwarding and POP IMAP. Now click on this button, add a forwarding address. Now paste the email address that we copied from Pabbly, yes, this one, and next. Let us proceed. Confirmation code has been sent to this email address to verify permission. Okay, let us go to Pabbly Connect and you will see it has captured the response. If you'll scroll down in the body text, you will see here you will see it has sent a confirmation code. Copy, come back to your account and paste it, verify. All right, now click on forward a copy of incoming mail to this address and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. So now what will happen is whenever you receive a new email on this account, those emails would be forwarded to this address and Pabbly will be able to access those emails. At the same time, it will maintain your mail's copy in your account's inbox as well. And don't you worry, your information, your details will be 100% safe with Pabbly. All right, now let us just save changes and we are good to go. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and click here on recapture response. Yes, we wish to recapture. Now you'll see it's waiting for email parser response. So just to check if the connection between Pabbly and Gmail is successful, let us quickly go to some other account and do a test submission. So now I will send a dummy email. I will send an email from my different account to my business account, to this Parampara business account, which we had integrated with Pabbly. I'm going to send it to this. Okay, this is my other email account, Ashi Rai. And now you can see here is the mail. You can see the subject, webinar on August 20. There is a webinar on marketing strategy at this date, time. And for further details, they can contact here and the sender's regards. All right, so I'll be sending this mail to the email address that I just integrated with my Pabbly account. Okay. All right, let me send. And here you will see it's waiting for email parcel response. So what will happen is whenever my business account, my inbox, Parampara business inbox receives a new email, Pabbly will bring the response here, the mail's response here. So let me show you. So you will see, and you will see Pabbly Connect also captured the response. Here, like you can see the header subject, webinar. It was sent to my email account, my Parampara business account. Then it was sent from here, the Ashira. Ashira is the sender. The body text you will see, hey, there is a webinar on marketing strategy at this time on this date. For further details, you can contact on this number, and the regards. So this means we have successfully connected Pabbly with our Gmail. Okay, now on to the action step. So the action step would be Google Sheets. Action event would be add new row. So what I want is whenever I receive a mail, it should be added in the details of those mails should be added in the Google Sheet. Here I'll show you. This is the Google Sheet that I had prepared. So I want whenever I receive a mail, these details, sender's email, email subject, email body, and more details inside the email should be added here. And therefore, I selected add new row as the action event. Let me connect, add new connection, connect with Google Sheets. Okay, I will select my account, Parampara business account. Let me just continue. Okay, let me give some access quickly and continue. Authorization successful, it says. So now you will see it has already brought the spreadsheets that I had in my account. I had made in my account. There were 2 customer reviews and Gmail details. So now I will select Gmail details here. Why? Because I want whenever a mail is received, the details should be added in this spreadsheet, Gmail details. I'll show you here. This is the spreadsheet, the name of my spreadsheet, Gmail details. I want the details should be added here. And therefore I selected this. Now scroll down. Now I want sender's email. So I will map it from here. Just let me search using, okay. This is the sender's email. Now you must be thinking where exactly I'm getting this information from. So for that, I'll take you to step 1, where we integrated my Gmail account with Pabbly and did a test submission. So it received, Pabbly captured the response of the mail. You can see the mail details here. Pabbly brought the exact same details over here. And from here, we could map the sender's email. So now we will map email subject. If you'll scroll, you'll find this email subject here. Now for email body, again, let us search using body for quick results. Okay, here it is. Hey, there is a webinar on marketing strategy at this time. For further details, contact this. Now I want more details inside email. So what I want is, I'll take you here to the mail. I received this mail. I want for further details, contact this. So this contact number should also be added here in more details inside email, should be added here so that whenever I need, I can make a call or send a message to this number. So now, but the problem is here you can see this number is coming in the body text as a whole. What I want is, I just want this number. I want to extract this number from this body and map it here. So how will I do it? For that, let me take you to a step in between. We'll add a step here. Select text formatter. Action event would be text basic formatting. Okay, connect. Now string here would be again body text from, because we want to extract this phone number, this contact number from here. Now in the capitalize, here in the transform, you can see capitalize, lowercase, uppercase, and so on. We will just select extract phone number because that's what we want to extract from the body. Now let us just save and send test request. And you will see the number has been extracted. And now we can map this number in the later step. Now coming to Google Sheets, we will just reconnect once again. since we added a step in between. So we will just select existing connection as we are already logged in. Let us save. And these details will remain the same. Sender's email, email subject we've already mapped in. All we want to map in is just more details inside email. Alright, so that we will take from text formatter here. So let us take it. This is the one. Now what we will do, just save and send test request. So you will see we have received the response. Now let us go to our Google Sheet and check if these details have been added there. Yes, you can see the sender's email address is here. Then the email subject is here. Email body is here. If you click, you will see the full email body plus the contact number that we extracted from the email that is there. So this means we have successfully integrated our Gmail with Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.